the track. Y'all got the Chattanooga Choo-Choo on y'all side. Let's hear it one time for the Chattanooga Choo-Choo. Alright, let's hear it for the Cannonball Express. Alright, how many of you think the Cannonball Express is going to land in the right lane? How many of you want to see the Tennessee Chattanooga Choo-Choo put it on the Cannonball Express? It looks like we'll split right down the middle.
Yeah, it don't matter if you see the cars or not.
Is this the jet?
I can't wait for the big deal.
How many of y'all went up there and registered to win that money?